This video is for John Logan for his new website. John, what I'm going to do, I always start this way. I have two tabs open at the top. I know you've done a bit of this before with your Titan website. On one tab I'm in the back of the site, and on the other one is the front of the site, just so that I can see some changes and things easily by refreshing that one. Anyway, what we want to do first is over here, go to all pages. The amendments that you sent me, front page, existing businesses. Okay, so if we go look for the front page, you'll see it next to it, business consultation and career coach with front page. So click on the title or click on edit, either one, and that will open the page up for you. Right, this is the default view where everything is inside of boxes, which I'm sure you remember. Never ever click on these two buttons, return to standard editor, and don't use build on the front end, although that is what we're going to be doing, but a different way probably than you were used to. Here you've got three icons: a desktop, when you hover over them you'll see the little blurb come above it, a tablet, and a mobile. So if we go to the desktop view, this will probably make it easier for you because you can actually see all of the different bits. Now, you wanted some changes in text. Everything is still actually within boxes. The blue one is the outer section, which you'll probably never need to touch. The green ones are the rows and columns. That's a row with one column in. Don't click on them, just hover over them. This one is a row with two columns in, and you'll notice that this one is the text when you hover over the text, which is what you wanted to change first. This is called a module, and this is a text module. You edit it by they're always in dark grey. Click on the cog icon there, and that will open it, and you'll see there all of the text that is actually on your page. You've got two options. One is to work in visual. Now, the only drawback to that is this is supposed to be what you see is what you get, but trust me, it isn't. I prefer to work, and also if you copy and paste some text in here, sometimes you pick up the formatting of the text that you've created in Word or wherever. So I tend to use text just to make it easier. You'll see there one paragraph starts and stops. It's just for, it's a lot more basic, but it's a lot more trustworthy. Now if I look at what you wanted to change, so we keep that first line and then we add some different text here. Now because it's got bullet points, I'm actually going to do this as two text modules. So I'll take that first bit of text. We're keeping that first paragraph there. I highlight and delete the rest of that text, and then I paste that new block of text that you've put. Whenever you've made a change and you're happy with it, you click the little tick box in green there. Right, now I'm also going to get the bullet points, so I copy those. I'm going to make a new text module for this. So when you hover over it, see a little plus sign, click on that. It says insert module, scroll down till you find the text module, put that in. You'll see some text already there, which is just placement text. Now this is a bit contradictory, but with these bullet points I'm going to use the visual so that will already be done for you. So if I paste, And now I go back to the text to look at it and make sure it's okay, which it is, and you can see it over here as well. Click the tick box again to save that part. Then you always go to the top of the page to the green button and you click save. And while it's saving, you'll see this little red little circle spinning round, which shows it's doing it. And it will say up here, page updated, view page. What I do is go to the other tab that I made, refresh that page, and there you can see that I've made those changes. I think that's all I really need to do for this, because I know that you've had some experience of doing this before, John, so you should actually be okay with everything, I think. Every piece of text, you see they're all in modules. Apart from images, those are in separate modules. You open them in exactly the same way. If you wanted to replace an image, you click on the image, which will open your media library, and you can replace an image. You want to be careful with these though, like this is a landscape. You don't then want to go and put a portrait size image in there, which will change the look and the layout. But I think that's all we'll do for now, John, just to see how you get on with it. Because you have done this before, and I've got a couple of other videos that show me changing text and stuff, which is mostly what you're going to be doing. Whenever you've finished working in something, always log out. Don't leave yourself logged in. Okay.